Hi viewers, in this video you are going to watch how to investigate the battery distilled water level and how to fill the distilled water. So I'm going to remove left hand side cover and we need to remove the battery connections. First we need to remove the negative connection. After that we need to remove the positive connection. For that we are going to need 8 mm T wrench. Now the screw is out. Only after taking the negative connection, we need to take out the positive connection. Now take out the side bolts. Now you can take out the battery. So this is the grip which will hold your battery. Upper side there is a washer, remove that. There you can see there is a lot of deposition of dust. So before refitting it, we need to clean dust. You can see on the battery there is a lot of dust deposited. I brought this battery to my home, cleaned it thoroughly. You can see there is no dust. Now this is the maximum level, this is the minimum level. So I'm going to show you how much distilled water left. So there you can see some dark lines. So that is the level of the battery. At the back side you can see clear visibility. So we need to fill some distilled water. For that we are going to remove that upper strip. For some batteries there will be individual caps for each cell. So these are the cells in which we are going to fill the distilled water. I am going to show you how much water left in the cell. You can see the distilled water is dried out. Only one cell is having enough water. So I'm going to use distilled water. So it costs around 35 rupees. Before buying distilled water you need to see the date, manufacturing date. The water inside the glass is distilled water. So before using it I cleaned it with distilled water. Check the level in each cell and fill the adequate water. So here you can see the visibility of the water, how much I filled. Now put back the strip and press it thoroughly so that distilled water cannot come outside. Now the final process is putting back your battery back into your bike. There you can see I have cleaned everything, the dust deposition around the compartment. Now put back the washers, and there is a upper bush. You need to remember to put back that pipe which will take out excess distilled water from your battery. Now the battery is fixed. We need to put back the holding grip. Put back the bolts. And use a 8 mm T-wrench. The next process is putting back the circuit connection. So when we are putting back the circuit, first we need to connect the positive terminal. Now tighten using a 8 mm wrench. And put back the cover. At the last, you need to put back the ground connection. Now use the 8 mm wrench, turn it clockwise to tighten the bolt. Check all the connections are tight or any loose connection is there to avoid short circuit. Now put back the left hand side cover. This completes your process of filling the battery with distilled water. Thanks for watching.